Welcome to part 16 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course. Today we will learn about paragraph options in Adobe Illustrator. The paragraph options in the Properties panel is most useful with area or paragraph type text. Since any paragraph formatting applies to the whole paragraph, you do not actually need to select all the type when making a change, but only put your cursor in the paragraph. With a text box or a paragraph selected, change the justification of your paragraph by clicking on one of the first 4 boxes in the option. Don't use the last 3 boxes, these are for very special uses. The first box or button will make your text left justified or aligned, only on the left side. This is the most common way to format text. The second box centers your text. This makes the text very difficult to read, but every once in a while it is suitable for short bits of text, like song lyrics. The third box is right justified. This is also an unusual way of formatting text, but can be used for short pieces of text in specific situations. The fourth box fully justifies the text, also called right justified or just justified. This is also a very common way to format text. The other paragraph formatting options change the way the last line of a paragraph appear in justified text and are very rarely used. By clicking on the ellipses at the bottom right of the paragraph option, you are presented with other options such as indenting and adjusting the vertical space after a paragraph. Commonly used is the option to hyphenate words available at the bottom of the panel. Going to the option menu at the top right of the panel will give you control over how words are hyphenated along with other controls. That's all in our part 16 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 17.